Refunding your Pandabuy items is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to refund your Pandabuy items. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the Pandabuy website and make sure you're logged in. And after that, you have to click on your profile and you have to click on order. And here you guys will be able to see your order. I have not paid for that order yet, which means this order has not been placed yet. But in your case, it should have already placed. I'm going to show you example how it will look. This is how it will look. You just have to click on this checkbox and you just have to click on this cancel order. And the next thing will appear is this page where you have to click on this confirm. And as you guys can see, this process will go to the pending state, which means it won't instantly refund your amount or refund your payment for the product. It will take few days. It might take 3 to 4 days for refunding your payment for the product and cancel your purchase. So that's how you do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.